I'm here to examine Sandy, our lovely little patient, and hopefully learn some new stuff from Dr. Fuller.
With Cam today, we have Sandy, and we're going to talk about some basic things that the kids can look at for any pet at home that they should be looking at for health reasons. One of the things you want to look at is just overall. What does her coat look like? What is her body condition? And for her coat, is she dry and rough? Does she have any bald spots? This is actually where she's licking, and it's stained from the saliva. And this is what you want to look at for your pet at home. And it's easy at your own pet to see them every day and to miss things that are slow and insidious coming on. And what you want to do is take that time once a month and really look at your pet and make sure that their health is doing well. Sandy's a great example of a nice lean dog. You can, with gentle pressure, feel her ribs. And actually you can feel this too. See how you can get in between the ribs a little bit and you're not searching and going, I know there are ribs in there somewhere. And from the side, you see that she has a nice little waist tuck right here where she goes up. She should have this. This is natural. She's actually at a perfect body condition and weight. And one of the biggest problems we have in our home patients is actually obesity. It's very easy to get caught up in just filling the food bowl and not getting out and getting them enough exercise because we work 8 hours a day or go to school 8 hours a day and we come home and everybody just wants to sit on the couch when we need to go out and run around the block a few times. Dental health is huge in our pets, and Sandy's going to let us look. She has nice teeth. Back here she has a little bit of tartar buildup. See the brown area right there? And she's getting a little bit of gingivitis. See the redness along her gums? Yep. And what you can do at home, it's actually really simple. Take a wet washcloth, run it around the teeth on the outside twice a week. That'll actually do quite a bit for you. Other things you can do is actually get a doggy toothbrush and dog toothpaste, but don't use human toothpaste because that's bad for them, okay? As we finish looking down Sandy, we just want to run our hands down her legs and over her body to see if we feel any lumps or bumps or there's any areas that are painful. We want to go back and actually peek under her tail to make sure that there's no lumps or bumps back there. And if she's a spayed female or an intact female, is there any discharge? And if she's a male, that either the testicles are both even or if neutered, that there's nothing back there that shouldn't be. One of the simple things you can use at home to check for parasites, which are fleas at this time of year, is either a flea comb or a black men's hair comb, the ones they used to pass out in barbershops, and you just run it down her back. And in her case, she's itchy. You can see that hind leg. Let me see if she'll do it on this side. Are you itchy, Sandy? Yeah, she's itchy when I run this down her back. Not because she has parasites, but because right now there's a lot of things blooming. So she's actually very itchy because of all the pollens in the air. That's exactly what I was thinking of. So take a look at your own pet at home once a month. Get a chance to, don't let something that's slow and changing creep up on you. And if you notice anything that's concerning or different, have your vet check it over.
Dr. Fuller is very good at putting it in kid language, and she always does a great job showing us how to examine pets. And I would say Sandy was a pretty willing patient.